Doctors and scientists around the world are becoming increasingly alarmed over the impact of global warming on human health. Abnormal and extreme weather, which scientists have long predicted would be an early effect of global warming, have claimed hundreds of lives across the U.S. in recent years. Our warming climate is also creating the ideal condition for the spread of infectious diseases, putting millions of people at risk.
Environmental effects. Factories burning fossil fuels spill them out as the farmer burning biomass, such as forests, to clear land from planting. Not all aerosols are human-produced. Natural aerosol includes sea salt that is pulverized and swept into the atmosphere, dust from desert storms, and ash from naturally occurring forest fire. Anthropogenic aerosols, those derived from human activity, have skyrocketed with industrialization. However, create blankets of smoke that loom over many large cities. Global temperature are expected to continue to rise as human activities continue to add carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and other greenhouse or heat-trapping gases to the atmosphere. Air. We are used to thinking of industrial and traffic pollution as having a detrimental effect on air quality, but all other things being equal, rising temperature by itself increases the amount of ground level ozone, a major constituent of smoke. So many studies have linked higher ozone levels to death rates from heart and lung ailments that many cities issue smoke alerts to warn those at risk to stay indoors. It gets worse. Higher levels of carbon dioxide favor the growth of ragweed and other pollen producers over other plants, according to Dr. Paul Weston and Harvard Center for Health and the Global Environment. In addition, ragweed churn out more pollen as carbon dioxide levels rise. Apparently, the moths attach themselves to these particles, which deliver them more efficiently deep into the lungs. Possible solutions. An immediate step needed is the establishment of mandatory emission limits, coupled with market-based system that allows the reduction to be achieved as cost-effectively as possible. Complementary energy policies must also be enacted quickly, including more stringent fuel-efficient standards for vehicles, a national renewable energy standard, energy efficiency measures, and other short and long-term strategies to speed the transition to low and zero emission technologies. Water. Residents of the U.S. Gulf Coast don't have to be reminded that water can be a killer. You can usually evacuate people ahead of a major storm, but you can't evacuate infrastructure. Another predicted consequence of global warming is heavy downpours, leading to more floods. The immediate hazard is drowning, but the larger issue is water quality. To take just one example, more than 700 U.S. cities, most of them older communities in the Northeast, Northwest, and Great Lakes area, have sewer systems that regularly overflow into water supplies during heavy rainstorms, mixing dirty and clean water and sometimes requiring mandatory boiling to make contaminated tap water safe.
Forest. Forest is also affected by global warming. For example, absorb carbon dioxide from the environment, photosynthesize and release oxygen as a waste product, which is essential for animal life. Similarly, with water, a healthy ecosystem such as a forest or wetland can filter a lot of toxins out of water and provide us with clean drinking water. Global warming versus animal. For more than a decade, worldwide has reported on the growing evidence that a rapidly changing climate will drive many species into extinction by shrinking or altering their habitat. Now, the most comprehensive study yet published on the prospect warns that as many as a quarter of the planet's species will disappear within the next half-century. Researchers projected future population of 1,103 types of native plants and animals, representing about 20% of the Earth's surface. Extrapolating to the planet as a whole, they calculated that if global temperature rises between 2 and 6 degrees Fahrenheit during the next century, as predicted by the UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, between 18 and 35% of the planet's species would be extinguished by the year 2050. They did not attempt to project what might happen after the next century. Many animals are able to respond to climate at a faster rate than plants. For those animals that do not migrate, a distribution change in response to a warming trend will occur at the population level as a result of changes in the ratio of extinction to colonization at the northern and southern boundary of the range. A northward range shift will thus be reflected in either a next extinction at the southern boundary or next colonization at the northern boundary. Range shift in areas with regional warming trends has been reported in alpine plants, butterflies, birds, marine invertebrates, and mosquitoes. Human-caused releases of carbon dioxide and other climate-warming gases appear to have triggered a more sudden change in the planet's temperature that many species will be able to adapt to. If habitat destroyed faster than a particular species can migrate, or the species will be unable to survive.